Okay, so in our last class, we have just went through an overview of Betty-Neuman system model, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me again explain you regarding that Betty-Neuman's model. See, this Betty Neuman, she has defined health as whenever all the parts and subparts of our body, when they will come in harmony or when they will come in a good relationship with our whole body, then each and every person is having a condition called health, or we can tell that the person is in good health condition or a person is healthy. And already I have told you that there are theory, concept or metaparadigm in each theory. So metaparadigm, or you can call it as concept. In each and every theory which was evolved or which was made by the theorist, each and every theory is having the conceptual framework or concept or metaparadigm. And this metaparadigm, it consists of 4 headings, that is person, nursing, health and environment. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether you people have gone through the video which I have shared with you? No answer for that. Fine, listen here.
Yes, ma'am.
So person means he or she is an open system. They will work together with all the other parts, and that open system, it will even interact with the environment. And this system, it is having 5 dependent variables, 5 interrelated variables. What are those interrelated variables? Physiological, psychological, socio-cultural, developmental and spiritual. And this variables, they are protected by some protective mechanisms, and the protective mechanism will completely protect the basic structure. So who is the basic structure? The basic structure is the person. So the basic structure, which is made up of the 5 different variables, they are protected by some protective mechanisms. What are those protective mechanisms? They are flexible line of defense, normal line of defense and lines of resistance. So if you're seeing this picture here, core, he or she, a person here, they are protected by 3 protective mechanisms, that is line of resistance, normal line of defense and flexible line of defense. The second concept, it is health. So what is health? Health, a dynamic condition, a changing condition, which is protected by the normal line of defense. And we can tell that the person will be in a good health when all these parts and subparts, they will work together in a relationship. If you're seeing here in this picture, the core, the person, protected by the lines of resistance, normal line of defense and the flexible line of defense. And here we are having a wellness chart. See this pentagon, this is the harmony or the wellness which is maintained between the individual. So if you're seeing here, health, wellness, stability, harmony and balance. So all this will be constitute. If this all are in positive manner, then we can tell that the person is a healthy person. The next, if you're seeing the environment. So environment, it includes some stressors. So environment always, it is not a positive environment. Environment can be negative also. So negative also means what? Some stressors can come to an individual's life. And whenever the stressor is coming to an individual life, that will alter the health of the person. So whenever it is altering the health of the person should come through that defense mechanisms, and then they should try to maintain their stability. Understanding or not? Students,
Yes, ma'am.
are you
Ma'am, आपकी voice
understanding
बहुत-
or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So environment, I told environment is not only positive environment, it can be negative environment also. So this negative environment, that will adversely affect the health of the individual. So whenever it is affecting, that is the stresses, whenever it is affecting the health of the individual, what the individual has to do, they have to work through the lines of defense or the protective mechanisms, and then they have to improve the stability of their own system. So if you are seeing here again that picture came, so just see here, core, the person, stressors are affecting the person. Say interpersonal stressor is there, intrapersonal is there, extrapersonal is there. So whenever the stressor, they will affect the blue color pentagon line. So the blue color pentagon line that was indicating the health of the person or a healthy individual, they will affect, they will invade, they will completely destroy the health of the person. Then what the person will do, his lines of resistance, normal line of defense and the flexible line of defense, that will activate, that will trigger, so that the person will try to maintain the health. Understood? समझ में आ गया या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार देख लो, ये जो तीन स्ट्रेसर है, कौन सा तीन स्ट्रेसर? इंटरपर्सनल है, इंट्रापर्सनल है, एक्स्ट्रापर्सनल है. ये तीन स्ट्रेसर्स, ये जो ब्लू कलर लाइन है ना, इसको अफेक्ट करेंगे, इसको अटैक करेंगे. ये अटैक करने के बाद ये कहां पे जाएंगे? सीधा जाएंगे फ्लेक्सिबल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस में. अगर पर्सन है ना वो रिएक्ट नहीं किया तो वो क्या होगा? फ्लेक्सिबल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस क्रॉस करके नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस में आ जाएंगे. सो नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस, इधर देख लो, नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस में आ जाएंगे. अगेन पर्सन है ना वो वापस उसको फाइट करना है, और स्ट्रेसर्स को है ना फाइट आउट कर नहीं किया तो वो क्या करेगा? स्ट्रेसर्स, इट विल अफेक्ट द लाइंस ऑफ डिफेंस. उसके बाद अगेन है ना ये पर्सन, इफ ही और शी इज नॉट fighting back against the stressors, this stressor, it will affect the complete individual, that is the core. समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what is nursing according to Betty Neuman? Nursing क्या है? Nursing, it is a unique profession. Even Betty Neuman is also telling that nursing is a unique profession. And these clients, they will be having some optimal wellness whenever we will be providing the healthy environment or stability of health to the persons. That is nursing according to Betty Neuman. So Betty Neuman is also telling that nursing interventions or nursing measures, they are consisting of 3 preventive measures. What are the 3 preventive measures? Primary measures, secondary measures, and the tertiary measures. So if you are seeing here, this picture again, core is the individual having 3 lines of resistance or protective mechanism. आप देखेंगे तो ये blue color pentagon क्या है?
Flexible
line
line
क्या है?
of defense. Primary prevention.
Who is answering? I'm not able to hear. Blue color pentagon क्या है?
Let me maintain the balance, health, harmony, health,
maintenance of
stability.
health is the blue color pentagon. Next, if you are seeing here, primary prevention क्या है? Flexible line of defense is the primary prevention. Normal line of defense is the secondary prevention. Line of defense is the tertiary prevention. पहले कहाँ पे अटैक होगा? जब अटैक होगा तब हमारा प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन में प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स ट्रिगर होना है. नेक्स्ट वन, नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस में अटैक होगा तब टर्शरी प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स ट्रिगर होना है. थर्ड, जब लाइंस ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस में अटैक हो गए तो है ना हमारा टर्शरी प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स तो ट्रिगर में आना है. So if you are reading this, everybody should read. Let me read it and let me.
मैम आपकी वॉइस बहुत ब्रेक हो रही है मैम.
हाँ जी. See, once an individual is exposed to stress, the flexible line of defense will be alarmed. पहला स्ट्रेस है तो कौन सा वाला डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म अलार्म में आ जाता है? फ्लेक्सिबल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस. वो दैट विल प्रोटेक्ट द नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस टू कीप द सिस्टम फ्री फ्रॉम स्ट्रेसर रिएक्शंस. जब नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस अटैक होता है तब वो अलार्म मेजर्स दे देंगे टू द नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस. However, if this individual is continuously exposed to stress, and if the flexible line of defense is unable anymore to cope up with the stressor, the normal line of defense will be altered. If this happens, there will be a threat to wall that protects the basic structure of the individual and therefore causing instability of the systems and illness will develop. In short, ये क्या बोल रहे हैं पहला कौन सा वाला लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस में अटैक होगा? फ्लेक्सिबल लाइन, उसके बाद नॉर्मल लाइन, उसके बाद फ्लेक्सिबल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस, उसके बाद है ना ये पर्सन को अटैक करेगा। So if you are seeing this, see the picture. All the stressors, interpersonal, interpersonal and extrapersonal stressor, they are attacking the individual. When they attack the individual, you will call that state as illness. Understood? Whenever the stressors cross all the protective mechanisms and when it affects the individual, you will call that state as state of illness. If you're seeing the example here, Mr. So-and-so, 38 years of old, who was a business executive, his colleagues describe him as hardworking, perfectionist, and very dedicated to work. He started his day by leaving the house very early from his home, and then he will reach his office. So whenever he is reaching his office, he has to meet so many deadlines. He is under pressure. So what pressure? Work pressure is there for him. He is completely stressed. At home, again, another one stress is there. What was the stressor? He has to start from home very early and then he has to reach his workplace. And in his workplace, there is many job responsibilities for him. So what he has to do? He is under pressure. Understood the sample situation? So what happens when he is under the pressure? A week later, he was missing his breakfast, he was missing his lunch, he was completely under psychological disturbances. Then because of his deadlines which was given by the manager, sometimes he will go for the mood of mania, sometimes he is going to the mood of depression. So he is completely came under the stressful situation and he started to develop a condition called pneumonia because of his working daily. He is going so earlier because of his pressure, because of the environment pollution. He was getting cold, cough and everything. Finally, he was having pneumonia. He was having pneumonia. Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. अभी ये read कर लो, ये वाला slide read कर दो. Using Neuman's system model in the above situation, the identified possible stresses that contributed to Mr. X condition was as follows: work, personality, and attitude. Mr. So-and-so is not anymore able to handle the stressor, and that has caused the breakdown of his lines of defense. Without seeking help from his family and friends, he was not able to maintain his flexible line of defense and brought instability in his system. Let me show the picture in the next slide. Now you see the picture. This is Mr. X. Take care. All the work related stresses that had affected him. So this blue condition, blue line, which was seeing here, this is the tertiary prevention and his weakened system. Red color line, if you are seeing here, once he has got some stressor in his life, starting he would have done some relaxation techniques. If he have managed his anger at the home, if he stopped his smoking habit, maybe the pneumonia might have not come to that Mr. X. समझ में आ गया?
नो मैम, एक बार और सुना देना.
आप देख लो, आपका पहला लाइन कौन सा वाला अफेक्ट हो गया? फ्लेक्सिबल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस. फ्लेक्सिबल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस कैसे अफेक्ट हो गया? बिकॉज मिस्टर एक्स है ना, वो हिज स्लीप वाज वेरी लेट नाइट. वो मिस कर दिया ब्रेकफास्ट को, वो मिस कर दिया लंच को, उसको बहुत वर्क प्रेशर आ गया. वो वर्क प्रेशर के वजह से वो स्मोक कर दिया और ड्रिंक भी कर दिया. इसके वजह से, किसके वजह से? स्लीपलेस नाइट, missing of breakfast and lunch, work pressure, and because of smoking and drinking, उसका पहला वाला डिफेंस लाइन, कौन सा डिफेंस लाइन? फ्लेक्सिबल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस, वो हर्ट हो गया। समझ में आ गई?
Yes, ma'am.
जब वो हर्ट हो गया तब वो क्या करना चाहिए था? वो स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट एक्टिविटी करना चाहिए था, चाहे योगा करो, चाहे एक्सरसाइज करो, चाहे रिलैक्सेशन टेक्निक करो, कुछ भी करना चाहिए था, चाहे स्मोकिंग बंद कर दो, चाहे अल्कोहल बंद कर लो। बट ये मिस्टर एक्स है ना, कुछ भी बंद नहीं किया। जब ये कुछ भी बंद नहीं किया तब क्या होगा? इसका नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस है ना, हर्ट हो गया। समझ में आ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
जब नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस हर्ट हो गया तब कैसे हर्ट हो गया? बिकॉज उसको डिप्रेशन आ गया, उसका बिहेवियर में चेंजेस आ गया। जब उसका डिप्रेशन और बिहेवियर में चेंजेस आ गया तब ये क्या करना चाहिए था? थोड़ा सा मेडिकेशन लेके रेस्ट करना चाहिए था, और उसका वो जो फीलिंग्स, वो स्ट्रेसेस है ना, फैमिली मेंबर के साथ शेयर कर सकते थे, बट ये शेयर भी नहीं किया। अगेन हिज दूसरा लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस क्या है? वो जो दूसरा लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस, नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस तो
Second.
अटैक हो गया। वो अटैक होके तीसरा पार्ट पे आ गई। इस तीसरा पार्ट देखो, लाइंस ऑफ रेसिस्टेंस कंप्लीटली हर्ट हो गया। कैसे? इसका इम्यून सिस्टम वीक हो गई, न्यूमोनिया आ गया। एटलीस्ट ये जब निमोनिया आ गया, ये तो है ना, एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट को कंसल्ट कर सकते थे, एक पल्मोनोलॉजिस्ट को कंसल्ट कर सकते थे, बट ये कुछ भी नहीं किया। ये पूरा है ना अटैक करके पर्सन के पास आ गया। समझ में आ गया इस डायग्राम?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी नेक्स्ट देख लो। So this is Betty Neuman system model. So what is Betty Neuman system model? It is telling you that during the first attack क्या है? Flexible line of defense में अगर एक स्ट्रेसर अटैक किया तो आपने प्राइमरी प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स दे देंगे, then they can able to survive, the person can able to survive. आपने प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन नहीं दिया तो इट विल अटैक द नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस। अगेन नॉर्मल लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस में भी आप सेकेंडरी प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स ले सकते हैं, बट इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग सेकेंडरी प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स, दैट विल गो फॉर द टर्शरी कंडीशंस, that is the third line of resistance it will be attacking, and at that stage you should go for tertiary preventive measures. So that's all about Betty Neuman system model. आप देख लो again Betty Neuman ने क्या बोल रहे हैं regarding health. Health means it is a complete state of wellness when all the parts and subparts of the body are in relationship with each other. समझ में आ गई? समझ में आ गया या नहीं?
यस मैम आ गया।
सब ये नोट्स आपने स्क्रीनशॉट या इमेजेस कुछ भी क्लिक कर दिया?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, आप है ना वो ग्रुप
मैम नोट्स भी बना लिए।
नोट्स भी बना लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am.
अटेंडेंस प्लीज सेंड कर देना।
ओके मैम।
ठीक है,
ओके मैम।
थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।